Hello everyone, welcome to my daily English family.
Let's go! Are we really going to the island today? I want to see the sea and the boats.
Yes, today is our big family adventure.
Only your favorite ones, sweetheart.
I packed my hat and my notebook.
Perfect, we are almost ready.
Bye, home. See you later. Adventure starts now.
This is the best day ever.
Let's go, team. Look, I can see planes in the sky. I want to sit by the window on the airplane.
We will all enjoy the view.
Wow, the airport is so big. I want to fly right now.
First we check in, then we board.
Stay close to us, please. Oops, I forgot my little boat.
Your boat wanted to travel too.
It's okay, we just put it in the tray.
No problem, sweetheart. Oops, I forgot my little boat.
Your boat wanted to travel too.
It's okay. We just put it in the tray. The sea already. I think the island has treasure.
Maybe not treasure, but many surprises. Really doing it.
I can hear the airplane. One step at a time.
Welcome to our family adventure.
The houses look so tiny. We are above the clouds.
Flying is like touching the sky.
I hope I find a shiny shell. I hope I find a secret cave.
Maybe you will find both.
The air smells like the sea. I can hear the waves already.
Welcome to the island.
The air smells like the sea.
I can hear the waves already.
Welcome to the island. The sea is so blue, and the flowers are so pretty.
We picked a beautiful place.
This place is like a dream.
Soon, after we settle in. First, let's put our bags inside.
This place is like a dream. Can we go to the beach now? First, let's put our bags inside.
Soon, after we settle in. I can see the beach from here.
The sea is sparkling.
This is our home for a few days.
The water is cool.
It tickles my feet.
That is the sea saying hello.
My castle needs a tower. My boat needs a captain.
I can help with both.
Let's make the whole beach beautiful.
Look, what is this sign?
Maybe it leads to something secret. It could be a trail marker.
The shells are showing us the way. This feels like a real adventure.
Stay where we can all see each other.
It is so beautiful here. This place is like a secret world.
Nature has many treasures.
Oh no, my little pouch is gone. Did you drop it on the trail?
Take a deep breath. We will find when we made the sand boat.
Then you held it near the shells.
Good, that helps us search.
You are doing great.
I will search near the water.
I will check by the log.
Look slowly and carefully. Are you looking for something small?
Yes, my red pouch. Have you seen it?
Maybe the wind moved it near the dock. Come on, maybe it is there.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Stay calm, we are close.
Let's keep looking together. There, I found it. My pouch. Thank you, thank you.
Great job, team.
Kindness and patience helped us.
These are my favorite little treasures. Now I know why you were so worried.
Special things carry special memories. Thank you for helping us.
You were very kind.
We really appreciate it.
You made our day better.
Huh?
Would you like a short boat ride at sunset?
Yes, please.
That sounds amazing.
I feel like a real explorer. And I have my pouch again.
Sit safely, Captain. This will be beautiful.
The sea looks like gold. Everything is shining. This is a perfect evening. Look, dolphins! This is the best trip ever.
Nature is giving us a gift. Montana.
No matter where we go, we stay together. That is what makes every trip special. Mine too. This fruit is so sweet. And the lights are so pretty.
The island is full of life.
I will never forget this island.
Me neither.
Memories travel with us.
Our adventure ends, but our memories stay.
And tomorrow brings new dreams.